In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to use Top Echelon's hiring metrics to streamline your recruitment process and improve your hiring decisions. Whether you're just getting started or looking for advanced insights, Top Echelon's hiring metrics can help you measure the effectiveness of your hiring efforts, track key performance indicators, and boost your overall recruiting efficiency. To kick things off, let's talk about why these hiring metrics are so valuable. Tracking your recruitment efforts with Top Echelon means you can measure everything from the time to fill for job openings to the source of your best candidates and the overall success rate of your hiring process. By understanding these metrics, you'll gain a deeper insight into how well your recruitment strategies are working and where improvements can be made. One of the first things you'll notice when using Top Echelon's hiring metrics is the dashboard. It's super user-friendly and allows you to easily track key metrics, such as candidate submissions, interviews, and placements. You can quickly see how many candidates have been submitted for each job, how many have moved through each stage of the hiring process, and how many have been hired. This is crucial because it helps you pinpoint any bottlenecks in your process, whether it's a sourcing issue or a problem in the interview stage. The software also allows you to see your recruiting performance over time, so you can compare your results month to month or year over year. This historical view is powerful because it lets you identify trends, track improvements, and make data-driven decisions about how to adjust your strategy moving forward. Another feature to take advantage of is Top Echelon's customizable reports. You can tailor these reports to reflect the metrics that matter most to your team. For example, if you're focused on reducing time to fill, you can set up a report to specifically track that metric and even break it down by job type, team, or recruiter. This level of customization makes it easy to focus on your goals and track progress towards them. Now, I know you're probably wondering how to actually get started with this software. Well, good news. Top Echelon offers a completely free trial through the first link below. You can jump right in and start using these powerful metrics without any cost. On top of that, when you sign up through my link, you'll also get some exclusive bonuses that will help you make the most of your trial. With the free trial, you can begin implementing the tools right away. The setup process is straightforward and intuitive. You can start by uploading your job openings, then enter your hiring data, and from there, Top Echelon's hiring metrics will start generating valuable insights for you. Over time, these insights will help you optimize your hiring strategy, improve candidate sourcing, and increase the quality of your hires. As you continue using the platform, you'll discover even more features to make your recruitment process smoother. From tracking individual recruiter performance to identifying the best job boards, Top Echelon's hiring metrics gives you the tools to elevate your hiring process. I want to remind you that by using the link in the description below, you'll not only get the free trial, but also exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. That's a limited time offer, so make sure you don't miss out. To sum up, using Top Echelon's hiring metrics will give you the data-driven insights you need to improve your recruitment efforts, streamline your hiring process, and make smarter decisions. Whether you're a hiring manager, recruiter, or business owner, this tool is essential for scaling your recruitment efforts and ensuring that you're attracting the best talent available. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial and bonuses by clicking the link below. Get started today and see how Top Echelon's hiring metrics can transform your hiring strategy.